Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm mainly going to be talking about Equity Mobile. So currently Eazzy Banking was removed from the Play Store, and mainly Equity now, the main app for Equity is Equity Mobile, and Eazzy Banking you can't get it anymore on the Play Store. So I'm going to be explaining more about Equity Mobile, how it works and how you can use it. And so if I head to Google Play Store and I search for Equity, so as you see Equity, you won't get the Equity Eazzy Banking. Even though you search for Eazzy Banking, it won't be brought up. Currently there is only Equity Mobile, and I'm going to be explaining more on how Equity Mobile works. So, and it's quite interesting. They have made very big improvements on the app, and they keep on releasing updates to fix issues that are mainly faced. So I'm going to be explaining more about Equity Mobile. So if you open Equity Mobile, this is how it opens up, and I already have opened an account. All you have to do is follow the steps to open up an account. You just press on register, you input your account number, you input your phone or your email, then you send a code, then you register. And after registering, all you do is link your maybe fingerprint, or you use a password to log in. So I'm going to use my fingerprint to log in because it's what I set. And after that, the account will log in, and this is the interface for Equity Mobile. And for starters, I'm going to be explaining how all these work. So first thing, I'm on the home page. So this is the home page, like the main page, and on the home page on top you get what you would get on Eazzy Banking without logging in first. You get send money to Equity if you want to send money to Equity, and another thing, you get send money to mobile. Here you send money to your SIM card. Here send money to other bank, pay bills, buy goods, buy airtime or mobile top up. So this is what you get on top, which was at start on Eazzy Banking. When you opened up the app before logging in, you'd get this menu. Now it's you get this menu after logging into your Equity Mobile account, and it's easy. If you want to send money to Equity Bank, you just place there and you follow the steps. If you want to send money to your mobile number or mobile top up, you just place there and follow the steps. Input the number you want to send money to, input your PIN, and money will go straight to where you want it to go. But you have to first confirm the details that where you're sending money, it's where you want money to go. And if we go down, if we go here on this layer here, they show balance you have on your. If I place here, this will show the balance I have on my account, and currently I have two accounts. So this is one of the account and this is another account, so I have two accounts. So this is one of my account and this is a dollar account. So and that's a bonus point. You can view all your accounts at once, but Eazzy Banking you could log in one account at a time, and maybe a savings account, a current account, and Equity Mobile couldn't log in dollar account. So here I can get all my accounts at a go, and this is one of my accounts, a dollar account, plus this is my other account. It's in Uganda shillings, so I have two accounts on Equity, and I can view all of my accounts at a go. This is my usual account, the normal account, and this is my dollar account. So all my accounts are in the same place. I can monitor them easily after logging in at once. That's a cool touch. If you have a current account, savings account, all your accounts will be displayed here with the balance. As you see, this is my balance, and also here I can see my balance. And if I want to see transactions, I just place here and it will bring my transactions. If I place here, it will bring my transactions where I've sent money, who has sent me money. If you place on the account direct. And if we continue down another thing, all you get is add account. If you want to add another account, you just place here and follow the steps to add an account. Then if we go to the next menu, which is transact, if we go here, all you get is the same menu like I explained at first. You can send money to your own equity account. You just place here and follow the steps to send money. Or another equity account, if you want to send money to a friend who has an equity account, pay to or top up card. If you want to top up money to your card or pay money to card, you just place here and follow the steps. They are easy. Just here put the card number and the amount you want to send, and then put your pin. Then money will be sent directly to where you want it to go. Mobile wallet. If you want to send money to your mobile wallet or money to your mobile provider, you just place there. If you want to send money to another bank, you just place here. They are quite straightforward, easy to use, like very easy to use. And pay with equity. If you want to pay bills, electric bills, water bills, school fees, you place here and they bring you many options. You choose from what you want to use at the moment. Buy goods. Here, if you want to buy goods using equity, and they will show you what equity supports, and you'll be able to use it. And here, buy airtime or mobile top up. It's also easy, and this is the most fun step. So if you want to withdraw money, you can use this sector. If you want to withdraw money, maybe you have forgotten your ATM card at home, and maybe, you don't like moving around with cards. All you do is go to withdraw from ATM. You just put the amount you want to withdraw, and they will send you a code that you will enter in the ATM plus the amount you requested, and the ATM will be able to help you withdraw your money. It's easy because mostly I use this feature and it's quite handy. I don't have to move with cards. My phone can do all the stuff. Or if you want to withdraw from an agent, you can also use this. If you want to withdraw from an agent, and there are mob agents, equity mob agents, wherever you see, you'll be able to get an equity mobile agent, and you can withdraw using an agent. And if we go to the next tab, which is borrow, here is the loan sections. If you have a loan and you want to pay it, you just place here and enter the amount you pay your loan. And if you want to request a loan, you just go here and they will show you the loan limit you can get. As you see, they show you 1 month loan. I can borrow up to 3 Uganda shillings. So I just place on apply and follow the steps, and they'll be giving you the limit depending on how you use your account, depending how your account is active. The loan is not constant to everyone. You might find someone getting 50, others getting 5M, 10M, depending on how your account behaves or how your account is active. And if we go on another step, which is the last step, on more, here you get your account, which is your account name and the details on your account on top. Mainly my accounts are registered in these 2 details. And you go on to notifications. You can manage your notifications. Security, on security you change here. On security you can change your password, manage your PIN, or manage your security questions. Enable touch ID. Here you can unlock with touch ID. Manage devices. You can log out from other devices. You just place here and place on remove account. Your account will be removed from any device you have ever logged in, because they keep a log of devices you log in, and you can log into a maximum of 5 devices only. And here change language. If you want to change language, you can go here: English, Swahili, French and Kinyarwanda. Maybe, or you want to recommend Equity Mobile to a friend, sign out, and they are straightforward. Or if you want to contact support, you can go here. Or if you want to contact support, all you do is go on top here and you can straight contact support, and that tab is on all tabs. That tab is available. If I place here, I can go to support. Their number is there, their email, website, Twitter, Facebook, and also LinkedIn. That's where you can contact if you have any issue, and they reply, because I've tried to contact Equity on different platforms, and they are quite they handle you very well. They are not aggressive. Your issue will be worked on. Anyway guys, that's all for Equity Mobile, and you can try out the app. It's a very nice app. I have no complaints, though back then it was crashing, but right now it's working. They keep on releasing updates and fixing every issue. So, and Eazzy Banking, if you still have Eazzy Banking in your phone, it also works, because if I go and I go to Eazzy Banking, I still have the app in my phone, but on Google Play Store it was removed. As you see, it also works, but it's better to use Equity Mobile because it's very better. It has more features compared to Eazzy Banking. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time.